welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make lemon peppered wings in the air fryer. They're juicy, delicious, and packed with flavor, so let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need raw chicken wings, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 stick of butter, 3 tablespoons of lemon pepper, lemon zest, 1 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. Now we're going to combine all our seasoning together. We're going to take our olive oil, our lemon juice, and all the seasoning and combine it together. So now this is what our chicken wings look like all combined together. And now we're going to put it in the air fryer. So now we're going to put our chicken wings in the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
As the chicken is cooking in the air fryer, we are going to begin making the lemon pepper sauce. So we're going to take our stick of butter and put it on our heated pan and let it melt. Okay, now that all our butter is melted, we're going to add our lemon pepper seasoning. We're going to sprinkle. We're going to mix them together. This is what our sauce looks like, and we will save it for later. I had to voice over this part because the original sound didn't come out right. So here I'm taking the wings straight out of the air fryer. They came out really crispy. I poured the lemon pepper butter sauce over them while they were still hot so the sauce could really soak in. Then I tossed everything together until the wings were evenly coated. You can see how glossy and flavorful they look. Super simple, but they turned out amazing. And there you have it, lemon peppered wings in the air fryer. You can serve it with ranch like I did or any other dipping sauce you prefer. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you love wings, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that bell for more recipes like this. I hope you learned something new from this video. I'll see you guys in my next video.